This spreadsheet is related, it's going to be called the savings account, and it's going to be related to somebody planning out how much money they could save during the summer. So what you're going to end up doing is beginning with an area up here in the upper left where the user is going to be able to enter in whatever information they think they're going to have for their summer job and their summer savings plan. After that, after you create that, you'll move on to this area down here. And this is where the spreadsheet is going to do the calculations based upon what is entered by the user. And these calculations will eventually total up the amount of money saved on the summer. Anything that you see in tan is going to have a formula inside of it, or it's not going to work. So I'll show you how this works. Let's say you plan on getting a summer job with an hourly rate of $13.75 an hour. As soon as I hit enter, you'll see some things change. Let's say that you're very disciplined and you're going to save 70% of your paycheck, which means you'll enjoy 30% and put the 70% away to save for something juicy later. And let's say you're going to be able to work 25 hours a week. Every time I entered something new into here, this updated, and in the end, you end up with a total amount saved during the summer. If what I'm explaining to you here is not making sense, which I'm going to guess it does, you can also follow these instructions over here on the right side. They will give you items to think about and how to go through planning this, but it's pretty basic. Remember, when you're entering new stuff, your spreadsheet should be acting how you think it should be acting if you were doing this with a calculator. So here I'm entering in a very, very basic set where you're working 5 hours a week at $10 an hour and saving 50%. So you would be able to take these numbers and verify this very easily just with mental math or with the calculator. Spreadsheets are very fun. Enjoy.